guys, in this video I wanted to update why I stopped posting in YouTube. So if you are new to this channel, I guess most of you are, and in that case I'm an engineer who studied in Europe. I studied in Germany and Sweden, and currently I'm in Poland studying veterinary medicine. I completely switched careers, and that's about me. So the last few months have been very difficult for me. I had my final year exams of the third year, the final semester, where most of the preclinical hard subjects come, like pharmacology, pathomorphology, parasitology, and so on and so forth. So I had to study like close to 10 subjects. I have to study 12, 14 hours a day, sometimes even more than that. On top of it, working two jobs was really hard, so I had to take a break, so from uploading in YouTube, because editing and recording and writing script, all those things take a lot of time. So finally my all the exams are over, and I successfully cleared all the subjects. I'm very happy about it because most of the hard subjects are done. The next 2 years will be more hands-on practical stuff, which I'm very excited to learn. And one more thing happened. I went to India with my girlfriend. You guys might have seen her from the previous videos. If you do not know her, please check out the older videos. She's visiting India for the very first time, so it was a little bit of a huge responsibility on my side to take care of her, to make sure the food suits her and she doesn't get sick, and overall she enjoys the trip. And we stayed in India for roughly a month. She loved the entire trip. We went to a lot of places and we documented the entire journey. So it's all in her YouTube channel, Olivia from Poland. So please do check it out. And her channel is pretty big though. She's having more than 1,500 subscribers at this point and is growing very fast as well. So you guys might like her content as well, I guess. So now I'm done with all the exams. I'm currently just doing my part-time job, and I have a lot of time in my hands. So I have started a lot of new exciting things that I wanted to document and upload in YouTube. So starting with, I just got a new 3D printer. So I got Creality K1 Max. It's one of the bigger size 3D printers, which more than 300 cross 300 cross 300 volume, and it of course costed a lot of money. I'm gonna make a complete video of how I ended up buying it and what are the features of it, and do I like it, do I enjoy it, is it even worth it, and all the other 3D printing hobbies that I'm doing. If you can see, this is like a three-dimensional heart that I printed. 3D printing is very exciting because you just see a design online, or you design something, or you have a problem that could be easily be fixed with a small plastic part, and 3D printing makes it come alive instantly. So that's something I really am looking forward to explore and document the entire journey in YouTube. And also I'm learning how to do 3D design. I'm not a 3D design guy. I am a AI engineer, so I do only AI algorithms, write programs for the most part. So designing is something new to me, so I'm starting to learn Blender. And so that's it. And apart from that, I have got two new drones from DJI, and I will also update you guys about the drone. And I wanted to make some cool videos. And then I always had a hobby of flying drones. I have a lot of drones with me, but none of them are DJI. This is the first DJI drones that I have bought, so it can shoot at 4K. So I really wanted to have cool drone camera shots for my YouTube in the future. And I have bought some aviation gears. I love aviation, so I've got some yoke and rudder pedals and the throttle controls from Honeycomb. I'll post the pictures in the video for you guys to see. And so already I've started playing with it, and I started to fly with Airbus A320 for now, and then the next one is Boeing 737. These are the two things that I really wanted to master or get really good at. And also I have some single engine planes like Piper Comanche from A2A simulations, and I have Cessna 310 from Milvis, so that's also a very high fidelity aircraft. So these are the four aircraft that I have bought recently along with the new aviation gears. And I would like to record a lot of videos about me flying around the world with these planes. And hopefully one day I could get a real pilot's license, and these simulation experiences might come in handy as well. So yeah. And of course, I also wanted to update about my fishes, my small desktop aquarium with like 10 fishes in there, 35-liter tank, and I wanted to start uploading videos about the status of my tank, how I maintain, what are the weekly maintenance involved, all those things as well. And I started working in the clinic for the very first time in the first 3 years. Because I do a engineering part-time job, I couldn't really work in a clinic. And also in Europe there is a problem of language issues. You cannot work as an English speaking student in a Polish clinic because you don't understand basically anything, and also very less time, and there's a lot of patients coming, so it's hard for the professors or the veterinarians to also translate it for me every single time. So these are things that I understand. So in the summer holidays I'm working in the university clinic. It's very interesting for me. I would love to update you guys on that as well. And after 8 months, I've joined the gym. So that's very exciting for me because I had an injury in my ribs in 8 months ago, and also the exams came, and so on and so forth. All the other obstacles came, life happened. So finally, I'm joined the gym. I'm going to the gym for the last 5 days or so. My body is getting used to it, and I'm also going on a weight loss journey. I have put like 10 kilograms more, which is not really good when you do martial arts. You cannot move faster and your cardio suffers a lot. So I just joined the gym first to lose my weight and then go and join a proper martial arts gym. And one last thing is, I started the memory training once again. What is memory training? It's like it's something very interesting for me as a skill to learn. It's about memorizing things like a random images, objects, numbers, words, cards, a deck of shuffle cards, all those things. So I really am interested about how our mind works when you force it to memorize some random things in as short time as possible. So that's something I'm really interested in. I already have done these things before in the channel, so now I wanted to restart all those things because I took a huge break because of all the exams. So now I'm free, so I can't wait to share all these things with you guys. And I hope I really keep up the discipline to start posting in YouTube from here onwards. So if you guys like my channel, please consider subscribing. The thing is, I do a lot of different things which most people don't do, or are scared to do, kind of, or sometimes they couldn't afford to do. Even I was at that stage. Now currently I'm in a position where I could afford these things, and I'm exploring all the things that I only dreamed of or seen other YouTube channels. So currently, like doing the aviation, 3D printing, maintaining my own fish tanks, joining the gym, memory training, all those things, and working in a clinic. So it's a very very tightly packed and somewhat very interesting for me personally. I guess you guys will enjoy as well. So please let me know if you guys have any comments or feedbacks, and see you guys.